I didn't film anything yesterday. Today's Sunday, by the way, because I was poring over wiring diagrams and sorting things out, and I think I've got things pretty sorted out. I've got the gas pedal sorted out, the what do you call it, engine malfunction connector sorted out. I think I've got what needs power when sorted out. I've got to splice a few wires in here that I maybe shouldn't have cut, but anyway, that's what I got going on. I don't know if I'll get this thing running today or not, but sure would be nice if I did. I'd be a lot cooler if I did. Alright, let me get after it.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
She's over here playing with a knife. Don't you know those things can hurt you?
Yeah, of course. I was cleaning it up.
She had it in her purse and probably spilled some kind of mascara or what have you on it. And got it stuck.
That's not true. But
Well, it was stuck with some kind of goop.
it was stuff, that's for sure. But
Alright, I'm lost 2 relays for the fans. Now I gotta figure out what I did with them. I stopped for lunch, but when I came back, I mounted that computer mount. Or the ECM. Let's see if it works. I think it's gonna work just fine. That's what I think. Hey, look who came to hang out with me. Poor guy, he's got a green tail. You got a green tail, Harley? Is that why you're sad? He's not sad. Too bad. Watch you don't cut your fingers off.
yeah, I know. In case you're wondering, I still got my fingers. There's my left hand. There's my right hand. Still got my fingers. Yay.
Well, the fuse box at long last is mounted. And the PCM's mounted down there. Now all I gotta do is some more wiring. But that's okay. That's why I'm here. So the young man came out. He's wearing shoes, as you can see.
Yeah.
And must have went someplace fancy.
Yeah.
And suggested that I take a break from all this wiring and relax my brain and go take a look at his truck.
Yeah.